Is China's big tech about to crush America's AI dominance? Could companies like Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent reshape the global AI power map? And if they do, what does it mean for Nvidia, OpenAI, and the entire Western AI industry? Hey everyone, welcome to StockScope AI. No matter where you live, if you crave honest breakdowns on global tech wars, AI, and big money, hit subscribe now and stay ahead. Let's get into it. Right now, China's major CSPs, cloud service providers, like Alibaba, Huawei, and Tencent, are pouring billions into expanding their AI infrastructure overseas. The goal? Challenge America's grip on global cloud and AI services. According to Taiwan Economic Daily, Alibaba Cloud alone is spending over 400 million yuan just to speed up its global AI expansion. They're not starting from scratch. Alibaba already operates data centers in more than 29 regions outside China. Huawei and Tencent are pushing into Malaysia, Thailand, the Middle East, markets where they can quickly scale. Think about this. The US big tech club, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, has dominated the world's cloud backbone for years. But as AI costs soar, emerging markets are hungry for cheaper local alternatives, and China's CSPs see a goldmine. It's not just data centers. China's domestic AI labs are cooking up language models like Qwen 2.5 Max by Alibaba, which reportedly beats OpenAI and Anthropic in some benchmarks, despite weaker hardware. Then there's DeepSeek's R1 and the upcoming R2, promising tough competition to Western LLMs. Here's where it gets tricky. China still trails the US in cutting-edge AI chips. But Huawei's Ascend chips are starting to pop up regionally, like in Malaysia, where they're powering local AI clouds. If Huawei cracks more advanced chip design, the hardware gap shrinks fast. And Washington is watching closely. Why? Because whoever controls global AI infrastructure can shape data, economics, even politics. So when Chinese CSPs push into the Middle East or Southeast Asia, they're stepping into America's backyard. Look at the Middle East. Both US and Chinese tech giants are racing to lock in cloud contracts, build AI parks, and sign government deals. Billions of dollars are in play, and countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE love playing both sides. American hardware, Chinese software, who cares? As long as it builds local tech independence. Where does Nvidia fit in? Nvidia's GPUs still dominate global AI compute, but if Chinese hyperscalers start leaning more on Huawei's chips or domestic designs, Nvidia could lose a massive customer base, especially in Asia. And let's not forget US export restrictions. If those tighten again, China will double down on self-sufficiency. Here's the twist. China's AI firms know they can't outspend America's capex, so they focus on smart engineering, squeezing more from limited chips, innovating open-source models, and customizing AI for local languages. This gives them an edge in emerging markets where low cost wins. But will it work? Western tech still dominates patents, R&D, and brand trust in many regions. Plus, security concerns. US allies may be wary of Chinese servers handling critical data. So, the question is, will local governments pick cost over control? Expect this race to heat up fast. More AI data centers in Africa, more chip foundries popping up across Asia, more regional AI champions, Alibaba, Huawei, Tencent. They're positioning themselves for the AI cloud to be the next oil. So, is China's big tech about to crush US AI dominance? Or will export bans, hardware gaps, and trust barriers hold them back? If you want to stay ahead of this trillion-dollar tech tug-of-war, tap subscribe, drop your thoughts. Who will win, the US or China? Until next time, this is StockScope AI. Keep watching the numbers.